Yes. My name is Declan Oscar, and I'm actually glad. And as you can see about the triumphant entry of Babu Owino at the Vurugu, inaitwa Vurugu manze. It shows that ujamaa hata wakati alikuwa welcomed at that show, that was just massive. The love that this guy was given, actually it was just an amazing one. Ujamaa ni kama, let us just look at this. Let us look at this video and just give me your view on this. Is it love that the Nairobi people have just decided to give this guy? So for me, I just think that this guy has won the heart of peoples of Nairobi, and he deserves to be given that seat. Mi naona hii imeenda, so tusakaja. So ni kama itabidi sasa ajipange tu, ama we check to your love yenye jamaa alipewa pale nini.
Let's get the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment to go to the White Town. Ladies and gentlemen, Commissioner of the match. Commissioner, we have an announcement right now from the KTDP. Not ready for the fight. So we're making an announcement. The winner in the second round by technical disqualification in red corner, Munassar Abdullah. Let's get the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment to go to the White Town. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get the stage. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Karibu sana mheshimiwa. Let us clear the stage please. Let us clear the VVIP so that we call